Igbo proverbs slash idioms, translations and their real meaning. The first one is Hapụ ihe edere na moto banye moto. Translating to forget what's written on the vehicle's body and enter the vehicle. Real meaning is taking action is priority over details or having previous knowledge. The next one is Onye m ga-egbuli, m ga-arịọ Chineke nyere m aka. Onye m ga-egbuli, m ga-arịọ Chineke nyere m aka. Translating to, do I still ask God for assistance regarding someone I can easily defeat? Meaning, some things can be easily overcome even without external assistance. Onye m ga-egbuli, m ga-arịọ Chineke nyere m aka. Nkụọ ya gwogwom. The next one, agbacha ọsọ, agụọ mile. After the race, the mile or distance covered is calculated, meaning being reflective after a difficult task or impulsive action. Agbacha ọsọ, agụọ mile. The next one is Agaracha must come back. Agaracha must come back. He who wanders away must come back, meaning you can't totally shy away from your responsibilities. The next one, Egwu adịghị atụ afọ, o buru ụzọ. Translating to, the stomach is not afraid, hence why it's always on the front. Meaning, irrespective of the risk, an attempt must be made. Egwu adịghị atụ afọ, o buru ụzọ.